Local time now is 11 minutes past the hour of 12 in the morning. And for your information, there is a time difference between Manila, Philippines and Melbourne, Australia. Melbourne is 3 hours ahead of Manila. Ground temperature is at 14 degrees Celsius. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, Head of Flight Deck Crew, Captain Alisner Crisostomo and First Officer Ulysses De Liva Jr., together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.